So we got the first bike down of the trip. Apparently I was parked on a rock. Good morning, day 5. Day 2 of the BDR. Little coffee with a secret. Throw whirlers in the bottom of that. It's delicious. Cheers, mate. Day 2 of the BDR was no joke. Rocks and mud and caves. Oh my God!
That's the way to start the morning, huh?
Yeah.
Holy.
I went to start my bike. Apparently I was parked on a rock. Boom! This is great.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, this kind of terrain. I mean, you might get even a little bit worse than that, but that's about what I figured.
Cool. I bet you handled it just fine.
It was fine. I mean, that last hill was a little fucking intense, to be honest with you. There's a lot to like...
Yeah, there's some big boulders in that sucker.
You had to pick your line right.
Look behind you.
It's fun.
Yeah, that's one word. Didn't you see the damn signs? When flooded, do not come here. Day 2 has been rather rocky. Baby head rocks for miles. Whole bunch of rocks, whole bunch of gates. We're hiking all the way up there. Come with us on a journey. You never know what or who we'll meet. Tim wants to see the bear or the
mountain lion in the cave. What if this is cool. You first, buddy.
You ready?
No bats, no.
That is weird.
That is man-made. Hello? Look for prints. Are those prints? That looks like poop.
Guana, that shit.
That shit. That shit crazy.
Oh, dude, this is so cool.
Dude, this is man-made. It's gotta be. Those things go. Did you look up?
Yeah.
By the way, this is not on the map, in case you're wondering. Future tours to come. Oh, Squatch, you missed out on this one, buddy.
What?
He loves mines and caves. If it weren't for the bats, I'd say let's camp in there. This is awesome.
What a place to watch the sunset. These colors are like
We
unreal.
could cook our food up here. Set up our camp somewhere.
Save the mountain lion that lives in there a few steps. Save him the trouble of having to come down and get us.
Yeah, I'd rather get it over with.
Because then at least that way you have a choice. You could die by jumping to death. Or
Yeah.
You could die by a mountain lion.
I'm
There's
gonna,
another one down there, dude.
I'm gonna eat my... Over there?
There's a lot of them. What is all of this crap, dude? Let's see that one. There's one right there.
This is a lot higher than I usually go, people. Thanks for coming along for this adventure. I don't know how it's gonna end, but this is badass.